The turbo is located on the exhaust manifold and is therefore in direct contact with the exhaust gases. Soot deposits on the compressor can stop a turbo from rotating properly because the variable vanes of the turbo can get stuck. Loss of engine power, increased fuel consumption, risk of turbo failure. Use Bardahl 360 5-in-1 machine to clean the turbo. Cleaning procedure duration 1 hour. Products used: turbo cleaner. Protect your hands and eyes during the procedure and avoid contact with skin. Eco-friendly. Particles of soot are completely dissolved and burned, not released in the environment. Connectez. Use the correct ones provided with the machine. Read the default codes with the diagnosis tool. Cancel errors if any. Check the engine oil and coolant levels and make sure that the tank contains 1/4 of fuel. Warm up the engine to at least 65 degrees C. Connect the machine to the car battery. Push the on-off button until the lines light up. Pour minimum 1.2 liters of the product into the tank located at the back of the machine using a funnel. There are 2 tubes coming from the fuel tank, the pressure hose and the return hose that are going onto the high pressure pump, the common rail. Connect the machine with the connector supplied with the machine. The connection is the same as for the injection cleaning. First of all, connect the pressure hose from the machine onto the incoming fuel connector from the fuel pump. Then, select the return hose and connect it to the return hose of the machine. Once the pressure and the return hoses are connected, make a jumper connection between the incoming fuel and the return fuel with the delivered jumper hose. It is necessary to flush the system before starting the cleaning cycle. Push the plus button for 3 seconds. A short flushing cycle will start at 5 bars and will stop automatically. During this flushing cycle, check the tightness of the system and make sure there is no leak. If there is no leak, the turbo cleaning treatment can start. Choose the correct fuel pressure needed for the engine in the technical table provided by the car manufacturer. You can also find indicative data in the machine manual or on the connector case provided with the machine. As this is a common rail system, we start from minimum 1.2 bars to maximum 2.5 bars. Always start at the lowest indicated pressure. The system will stay stable during the whole treatment. Start the engine. The treatment procedure will take 50 minutes. You can easily check the remaining time by pressing 1 time on the on-off button. At the end of the procedure, there will be a sound signal. Once the treatment is finished, stop the engine and disconnect the machine hoses from the car and reconnect the original hoses. When the machine is disconnected from the fuel system, remove the plugs from the car battery. Read the default codes with the diagnosis tool again. Cancel errors if any. Immediately run a driving test for 20 to 30 minutes. During the test, accelerate many times between 3,500 RPM and more for 10 to 15 seconds. Then come back to 2,000 RPM. Accelerate and decelerate many times between 2,000 and 3,000 RPM.